Foolish pasta come here.
Uni no say. Ano mu yi. Omo show papa.
Abuza from mamu nyina makwaba e de bagana and Sam TV so. But omo dey so be like video, no be subscribe to the channel, no what turn on notifications. Say be next time. Videos of this nature eba also sabit makabina so watch the comment section ho. Maybe we from Mr. President Amejo so TikTok or comment section ho. By be we from Mr. President Amejo so. Ko yin na dream say that be ano e between the new patriotic party aba power. Na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we dey. The need to Sudan say man we need that be na the be ameka sem be say amanyasom ne yeye no. So wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa. The moment I be hold the public office, and say who say you own it a responsibility. I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say I do retirement. Nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushami chankra, momi enko. Yenko ko video bimra. Na video no yeko heba we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President here. Momi enko mresi here.
Foolish pasta come here.
Omo uni no say. Ano mu yi. Omo show papa show aso kwasia. Omo show aso ina egu nu kwasia na omo hwe so. Omo ametwe mu yi, omo yi nkofo na hwe omo ametwe. Nkofo du ame too much. Nkofo du ame too much nti yi omo na omo gina omo ametwe, omo mbo omo ametwe omo.
MPP 4 to aba. Achusu hotmanum. Constituency executives. So mo mede. One be her parties or constituencies for the A. Somebody be in the election 2028. And woman far back one to baby now. Now, I couldn't be no better.
Oh, what now, Papa show us, Papa show Akunya, Papa show Akunya no better. We must say, yourself, I sorry, be now quite yellow because na main friend here. One no more Sam, no Gazat, and I sorry, see my friend. We say also yourself when you have paper, say apotro. When you have paper, say we are y0ur. Kwasi and penny also for.
Katam na tonam garda swanama. How will I keep the boy to your letter? You knew that?
Kwara we preach ma nipa mbantia nyame asema twensem bia okeka wo timi nipa dwara kwa asori Sunday se okotie nyame nsem twenkwase asem bia okaka asori dem we se oso adwe wo nyansa we nyame afra otimi na we timi osofu bia wo nyansa bia nya timi na wo timi no we timi uni nyansa kwasia weni apepe se tumu kwasia osofu timi ni osofu komiseni one no musa we ni na ekwo kwasia ba se ko show we kwa fa we chia bo ni nyansa kwasia won ametwe wate God have we do le wona o direct fa asia kwasia beti de onti uni twemu wate kwasia so mo to abeyi am yi dey uni no se ano mu yi omo show papa show aso kwasia omo show aso ni egu no kwasia na mo hwe so omo ametwe mu yi omo yi nkofo na o hwe omo ametwe nkofo du ame too much. Nkofo du ame too much nti yi omo na omo gina omo ametwe omo mbo omo ametwe ombai. Osofo kwasi ampeni.
Nyina yetua ne taku sempoa obi akari koko be bag du wakwa ne yama ne 5 million. Satam 31 million sunka 300 and something million. Ai wakwa ne yama ne 5 million no de abeto nkinedi. No asan fa fom ko no akwaji 2 million no de abeto yi kobi sa ya shisika no Ghana ni sei na Ghana ni pe emma Ghana ni me se Ghana ni hu to no wonwene hwe na so ne bere nyina wode ma yese nsem hunu tie ene yese asa wonwene bibia biem na kokko kurani akwaji ni sika otuko no kan yese yesika mu ensi dan ensi hwe eno aseda obema ne de atua ne ba fees no na akwaji abeto dem na da ho uwi a waka chensa wahwe ne ba wonte ne ye wo kanase otom wonte ase first year student ya na yesi ebetuo mo kan Your mama by otua sika we ya yede. Ghana ni enim sa nyansa no onuru ho enti eye waste of money ontua. Because oya Ghana ni nkan. Ghana ni won kaya kamu ni opposition. Kofo baye cancellation of basic school fees mampani kof enkwada na ye de omo dom ye adwuma din aburo ma ho odin so. Kofo na be stop we nyina. Ekosi sai ya yere no ma na kwa wo so fa ye kete kokwa. Ekosi sai free health insurance, free maternal health care. Ekosi sai kokwa akuafo na kofo nwu omumfuo tukwa. Nyasi akomo omaduro wa fe nipa a ebegu afuo no so kwa. Yasa to abatu no. Ghana ni adwene mienuru. Kwan na Ghana ni ya Amerikani. Na wa hihye da ache di ama no. Jina ne konso bunukom mia no eno ano no wawie.
Edemano. Unya Kamila Al-Hassan. Ayi teacher ni yo se hwan ya woni akora bi de ba ye. O de ne betina ho sopa na wo DJ ke unim se atintehu ta woto na wuhwiri treasure. Unim se atintehu eta woto na wuhwiri treasure. Onzo obi anka bi ma o DJ ke. Onzo obi anka bi ma. Sa na wiase ne tie. So obi asamba fa we ye afutuo. Obi asamba susuka. Na wunim de da wanim. Obi asamba susuka. Na me me srema wo se ebi mu be defend no. Wo be defend DJ ke sasai. Enim guase we ya wagu ne ho. Wagu ne ho. Hey, DJ K nya nipa asem no wo ka no okromu a me se me DJ K no minim de ntia me se me kasa wakama asem me wakama asem ya asa ne ye nya nipa asa ye de ne ye mfura busuam ene de wo me se baby a wo no ankasa no baby a isu no ko fine na faye somebody can catch us say afaye pa enti ne yentimi nka yentimi enka no se de nka ese ye ka no ene wunti Kamila Al-Hassan ocha krom ha chese DJ K na wuni nyansa sene hwan wo krom ha so obi ya na ade na wonti ase a memfa ne se nipa ne sabi onim de wo ye wuni nyansa sene hwan wo krom ha on say so tam yesi wo platform ne so a ya na memfiu utam me a me nua ba political babies esi wo platform ne so a onse ya ne yemfiu ya na ho yesere ya na video ni ehwe ni say ya ene de ho na ho hye wo no ene wo na ho hye wo no me se Kamila Al-Hassan ba bi owo bia ne kra ene ne kra ni beba ne ho so ne kra ni beje na explanation be na de beba abonten enra me ye video ba akoma na eno ne ye part 1 we ye part 2 me twen so obesa ba abonten abekeka obeti aden na mumu bi munya nipa munsusu ha DJ K misise wa we awe nsem a o ka fa me ho DJ K and then na o hye ho no next time ufu akokwa a obefre no alolo ewiase na ho kwa ene ewiase no ensa emmeka wo no yenkoka no ano a emmeka wo no yenkoka no Kamila Al-Hassan video ba wo si obia wo ho kwan se video ba abonti on be kirechiro ma adwene ene wo so de aba ye be kirechirem ye de pen ni paper beto ho na wo kra se won sa anya good unsa anya good
wo de be man ko foforo won fa ma assembly won fa ma sanitation bio anya wa sa sanitation for disika yakwaji loan na breast sanitation for won fa anya hwe na wo ba obeje fi sanitation for na wo je ye no enya wa sako hwe no sako shi ta nso tonshina baby shi hey who ya dio nkwa ho ba eja hihie hey Mr. Pad unya ba perfect intro say what a pad saga wide we say pad na be ye bibia mo It took about 15 minutes. You can even waste as much as 1.5 hours. So we are just pleading. They should just come to our aid. Make it a little more trouble so that it will be. I'm a teacher and I'm still here. My learners are in school waiting for the teacher and the teacher is still here. So we are just pleading. They should just come and fix it for us. We beg them. How long have you been waiting? Oh, I got here for almost 4 hours. Yeah, if I'm not, yeah, 4 hours. Because I got here before 6 o'clock and we are still here. It's 9 something. So it's more than almost 3-4 hours we've been here. And so these are the more residents who are gathered here, sharing their flight here. I understand your frustration, but let me engage some of the organizers of this particular demonstration. Now we understand you've blocked the road for close to 3 hours. She says she's a teacher. She's not able to go to school. So how long are you going to continue this?
Amasaman, more than 4 hours. More than 4 hours.
We just say yenim oman issue ayewo ko ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwaku for Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we a any 2024 elections eko e no ma Dr. Bawumia e den na de kire Ghana fa se me ba we ni we na me yama mo na busia na ke ye nsem fata de yensa kan serious so in fact oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi presidency oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi leaders are the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party, another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals and the is because of time. But those ones it go and see how they have been operationalized. And then look say we have some of the hospitals in fact, yeah, equipping hospitals are all right too. But because of political tantrums and political gains, many can say, and it goes on and no woman say. It is a Kenyan who saying a no man in Abaya. It is a kind of candy was I would to me was I mean, say almost same people for. Name my comfort my sacrificing discard to what the eye hospitals, most of my account for. I comfort my facilitating me on funded free seniors, most of my account for. Is there any Ghana for debut? I find a tables net 10 after the Mokika. Why are they shouting? Obian can't to me and call I saw from among common into with the greatest of respect among common to them queen in a home. Chief imam for them common to them queen in a home. Politicians need common to them queen in a home. Market women among common to them queen now. Obian can't to them queen in a home. 2020 Jua, then you know the way forward. Yet you come over so no bow no the credit scoring system, but I must open content. Nancy Bibi Nina said, ye be invest we want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. And yeah, same cranny. Obi my credit scoring system also open Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems, most open is any one. You people chose policy, you people chose music over policy. Then you tell me you papa, and I feel I'm going to watch them. Me na warning was such a message. Me na me go catch you by the many members. All members come to do to one. Yewa. Digitalization you start to say yeah, most of the digitalization and to kinky. It's more kinky sika. It's a memo papa na ba. Omo mamo kinky. Memo other than mokem. You come here. And you John the money mama could not and can form Gafon catch up say, oh, Gafon, oh, now they're kinky and we have utilization here. And I got for so can you but Banama boom, 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 boom. Much about my kinky government. It's me.
Say dear Koya cried him and now to me who let be a yoke for Troy about Council of State member voter region. Now Miss Fiums, hey, Remona Chapa ya hype say where can say Israel train, Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Okay, the letter now was say Council of State member no, were former staff Emanam 1, which is never true.
Onya Juma order.
Onya Juma or da. And Onya Juma or da. Amanam 1 for the first time. Nam 1 I post. Oh yes, Nam 1 I post.
Yeah, no catch you. We say, oh, the panel boy.